In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 5 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. Here at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use one more variable j with nested while less than nested while j less than 5. And at the end of nested while iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, j value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. So here to print odd and even lines, we are going to use if-else condition. If I modulo 2, then print even line char 65 plus j, which is going to print A, B, C, D, E even lines, and separate the alphabet with single space character. Else, if it is odd line, then print character 69 minus j, which is going to print A, D, C, B, A. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So separate the alphabet with space character. After printing line, we want to begin from new line. For that, we are going to use empty print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py_square.py. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.